Good afternoon, this is Brad Lincoln again with MarineMax Lake Norman. This afternoon we are on a 28 SLX Sea Ray open bow rider boat. Come on in, I'll show you the boat a little bit. We're moving forward in this boat. You have a big forward bow area. You have storage underneath these seats, under every seat. Put your cover under there. Places to charge your phone up here as well. GPS module, walk-through windshield. Forward seating has armrests that fold down. Moving to the helm area, you have twin Simrad 12-inch screens, Fusion Bluetooth stereo, stainless steel push-button breakers. Of course, you have your bolster seat for the helm seat. It's a double seat. You have your digital shift and controls. Reversible seat to port. You have a really nice head area with a vacuum flush head. Lockable glove box on the dash on the port side. Again, you have stadium seating out back. This particular boat has a refrigerator unit here underneath the starboard seat. Underneath where I'm standing, you have in-floor storage. Entertainment, you have Fusion Tower speakers. This boat is equipped with the power tower from Sea Ray, so it's a push button operation. It's an articulating tower so the top stays flat. You have a step coming off the dock, so you easy access to and from. Battery switches located behind a secure panel. Storage under here. Use that for a cooler. Moving aft, you have the big sunpad out back. It has fold-up seating arrangements, another cooler area back here, a wash down as you enter the boat from the transom, Fusion Bluetooth stereo control back here. That's a quick view of the 280 SLX. Again, it's Brad at Lake Norman. Come visit us.